G'day everyone, Average Alexis here, hoping you're having a good one, and I'm nearly at the end of my reaction train for today. Thank the Lord, because this has been goddamn difficult. Okay, so I thought I'd mellow it out a little bit by reacting to two of RM's songs. I don't know how this is mellowing it out. He's my bias. This is probably going to ruin me before I react to a more funny one. But this is RM Forever Rain MV. I don't think I've heard the song properly, and I have certainly not seen the MV. I think I've seen like the starts of other people reacting to the MV and then clicked off of it. But I've not seen this MV or really heard this song. I don't know why. I'm gonna do my best not to pause, but I don't have captions up, so if I look like I'm confused by what he's saying, it's because I don't have captions. So like I said in previous videos, I've downloaded all of these, and I was an idiot who didn't download them with captions, so it's my own fault. But yeah, just don't hurt me, RM. Oh my god, my fringe. Okay, I'm all good. Okay. I'm okay. Is this? Okay. Going for a more mellow vibe. I know this is a slower song of his. So, Rain, Forever Rain, Alexis. Oh, this is pretty. This animation's gorgeous.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서.
I feel like I really need the lyrics.
그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이
Okay.
슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까.
Okay, I'm gonna be an idiot and I'm going to go back and I'm gonna hope that my YouTube player works and watch it actually on YouTube so I can see the closed captions. Sorry about this, guys. Forever Rain. Okay. Please let this work because I don't think I could cope if it doesn't. Alright. Forever Rain MV. Closed captions are in English. Alright, let's go. The animation is stunning. Go away, ads. It's such a simplistic sounding piano too. And it's just the same notes repeated over and over, and gradually stuff is added to it. I love when music does that.
하루 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 누가 나 대신해 좀 울어줬으면 해서. 종일 비가 왔으면 좋겠어. 그럼 사람들이 날 쳐다보질 않았어. 우산이 슬픈 얼굴 가려주니까. 빗속에선 사람들도 저마다 바쁘니까. 좀만 느리게 숨 쉴래. 평소에 내 삶도 내 랩도 너무 빠르니까. 지금 모든 게 저 위치로. 하늘에 나의 그림자가 비치고. 난 어둠을 딛고 서 있어. 고개를 밑으로 내 발 뒤꿈치로. Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
Okay, I don't mean to pause it, but I just needed to. He wishes it would rain every day to cover up the fact that he's crying. Now I feel like I'm gonna. Oh god, I feel that, like. And now he's talking about everything slowing down, like, because his rap's too fast and everything else. Oh. This might be the first time I cried during a music video. I've nearly done it a couple of times. Okay, I'm gonna keep going.
Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow.
RM's like half singing as well. Oh god. I'm not gonna be able to do this. This animation is beautiful. It's so simplistic, but it's so... It's... Why doesn't he have an umbrella? Is that one of the other boys behind him singing?
비가 오면 조금은 나 친구가 있다는 기분이 들어 자꾸 내 창문들을 두드려 잘 지내냐면서 안부를 물어 And I answer 난 여전히 삶의 인질 죽지 못해 살진 않지만 뭔가에 묶여있지 나도 너처럼 어딘가 두드릴 수만 있다면 온 세상에 진하게 입 맞출 수 있다면 그 누군가 나를 맞아줄까 내 고된 몸을 어쩜 받아줄까 제발 아무것도 묻지마 그냥 영원히 내려줘 네가 내리면 외롭지 않아 너라도 내 곁에 있어줘 잿빛 세상에서 살고 싶어 영원 따위 없는 걸 알고 있어 Slow rap, slow jam, slow rain, everything slow When it rains it pours, when it rains it pours, it pours Forever
I'm sorry I'm not talking, I just... Okay, there's not much longer left to go, but I just... There's like a minute left. This is so sad, and the way I'm interpreting it, I just... I don't know how long ago this MV was released or when he wrote this song, but a lot of the things he's talking about are very, they hit home for me. He only feels like he has a friend when it's right. I'm okay. All right, I'm gonna finish this off. I'm sorry I'm sitting here and not talking. This is really, really getting me. Okay. Again, how have I not seen this before? The instrumental in the background is amazing. I just can't get... I can't get over this animation. This is stunning. I used to want to do stuff like this when I was younger. Someone let me know in the comments below who that is underneath that. God damn. Okay. Wow. Okay. I don't have any words. It was beautiful. As always, RM, you are amazingly talented as a rapper, as a, like, partial, like, you were singing in that as well, like, singing, and an amazing lyricist. He didn't even have to do anything, and my bias just smacked me in the face. God, that song, it just... right at the start. I wish it would rain forever so that like no one, because everyone's minding their own business in the rain, and if you're crying, people are going to overlook it because they're just going to assume it's the rain on your face. God damn. I'm gonna keep going with my reactions now. That's a wrap for this video. Thanks heaps for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to. Believe in yourself and be you, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye guys.